Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you guys with a couple wig reviews, but the first one's going to be on the Sensationnel Empress lace wig. This is a 3-part lace wig. This is the second 3-part wig that I just reviewed. I just finished one. Different brand. This one's Jocelyn in the T2 Vintage Rose. Y'all, I'm excited. This is from Sensationnel. This was actually the brand, my second brand that I bought after my Janet collection wigs. So yeah, I'm like super excited because I do like Sensationnel. Oh, the color. All right, let me get rid of this. So this is a 3-part wig. It comes in all these colors in the back there. I was looking at the periwinkle because, you know, it's close to gray. Because it's like a, you know, vintage rose. I don't think my viewfinder is catching the color. It looks like vintage rose. It's like a rosy gold, grayish. It's vintage. It's beautiful. It has like a, I don't know, a neutrality to it where it's like a neutral tone. So let me just take out these clips. That's a lot of lace. Ooh, the wig feels soft. It has these curls preset, of course, so you can kind of shape them how you want to. There's a little bit of shedding on the unit. She's long. She doesn't feel like she's too full. She has 2 curls in the front, assuming to shape them. There's about a 3.5, 4-inch parting space. You can see my finger slide through there. There is some soft lace to it. Feels like Swiss lace. 2 combs on the side. I use them rarely, but I use them. A comb in the back, and then the 2 adjustable straps. So it's a typical stocking cap with the tracks and a little bit of lace on the top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in, cut her, and then slap her on my head. I'm going to use my grooming scissors that I like to use to cut the lace. If you do cut hair on the lace, just expect there to be shedding. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about that. I'll go ahead and place her in the center and do a center part just to start off with. Wow. I'm not going to put the combs in because I want to be able to shift her. This color looks really red on my viewfinder, and it should not be because it's like this pinky, well, it's a rose. All right, so I'm going to put the hair all in the front. There's not a lot of hair density, so there's that. Now, you guys know I don't really care for middle parts too much. So I'm getting, yeah, I'm not doing a middle part with this one. All right, let me do my right-sided part like I usually do. Better. I automatically tuck it into the ear because I'm noticing a lot of wigs. It's just a lot of hair there, and I want my face to open up a lot more. So I'm breaking apart the curl. She's cute. I love this color. And you could just paddle brush it. Get more of a wave. Or keep it curled like that. It's not tangling or anything like that. That's pretty good. There is some shedding, of course. With most wigs there is. It's just what happens, especially when you cut the lace. So this has like a really short bang area. This right here, this curl's getting on my nerve already. Funny because I don't like full hair, but I'm sitting here trying to zhuzh her up to make her look fuller. Just trying to, I feel like she looks really flat right here. We're just gonna march. That's how people walk. They march. She's cute. She's definitely more like event-wise, like somewhere you want to be, where you want to look a lot more prim and proper, look put together. The color is beautiful. It looks burgundy on my viewfinder, but my viewfinder is a damn liar. So I don't know how I'm gonna see it when I go to edit it, but it's like this really pretty, like the name Vintage Rose suits it. Really pretty. Really, really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and shift the part. I know this is weird for some people when they watch my videos. They're like, I can't believe you just lifted that thing off your head and whatnot. Just gonna take it out of from behind my ears and pull it down more. Usually have to tuck a wig in just because my ear, like from ear to ear, it's really small. Oh, I like this side too. This side's nice. This side has a little bit more voom volume because of that wonky ass curl. Maybe the wonky curl just works out. There's some shedding. I have to vacuum this floor. I'm like trying to zhuzh her up because I feel, again, like she's really flat right here and then the curls come out. So look at that. Very workable wig. Oh, I like this side of the parting space better. Shocker, because I don't normally. So it does have a bang. Like a really short layer. Oh, she looks... Yes, this side is my side for this wig. I'm going to go in with my wig makeup kit. And this is from the Virgin Hair Fantasy. You could use this on synthetic wigs, regular wigs. It's just powder. I'm going to go in with the banana shade. I normally mix milk, banana, and peach. I'm just going to go in with the banana shade right now. I like do it different every time, to be honest. Getting very vintage vibes from it. I live. Wait, vintage rose. Get it, get it. All right, now I'm going to go in with the shade peach. Because she's peach. And now I'm going to go in with coffee with cream. And blend. It makes this beautiful blend. Custom color for me. And it makes it more scalp-like for me. Definitely giving me this really pretty, put together look. I love this. This is beautiful. The wave on this, I didn't like it when I was parting it this way. And in the middle part, it wouldn't look right. I feel like the curls aren't even enough for that. This is definitely meant, well, the way this one is styled, because everyone's different, let's be honest. All the wigs seem to come a little bit different styled. But the way this one is styled, it looks like it's meant to be a side part and not a middle part. I don't care for middle parts like that. Only a few wigs really that I love as a middle part, and even then I would rather have a little side shift. So like this one right here, I would shift it a little bit more so it's not a full side part. This looks so pretty. This color is gorgeous. Vintage rose is where it's at. I'm gonna show you guys the length with all the hairs and stuff. Y'all see my bra. So she comes up to the mammaries, past the mammaries. I'm wearing a sports bra though, so she's not up to her highest potential though. So she'd really be past her mammaries. I wish, the one thing I wish is that this wasn't such a stark contrast of color, that it was more like a 4 gradient into like a brown and then the vintage rose. But it doesn't look bad. You can make it work, period. Overall, the texture of this wig is a light yaki texture. You can definitely see the texture when you look at it. You can see the crimping texture on it, but it feels really nice. It's not too thick. It's definitely not a thick wig. It doesn't have a lot of volume. This is it. You could probably trim this and make it look fuller. Like you could cut it like right to where I have it. It'll look great just nonetheless. But if you want the length, just know that this is it for the length, and it's very thin on the end, so there's not a lot of hair there. Overall though, the curls are beautiful on her. Like it just makes it look very vintage, very retro, very sexy vixen vibes that I'm getting from this. The color itself is giving me life. I love this color though. This is so pretty. Woo, this is what I've been looking for. Anyway, guys, let me know what you guys think down below. And yeah, this is pretty much it for my Sensational Empress lace wig. This is the free part lace wig in Jocelyn in the color T2 Vintage Rose. It's funny because it's a 2, but I feel like it should have been a 4. That's my one gripe, is just the routage on it. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think down below. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.